In business, every second counts, especially during a pitch. A pitch is a brief and concise narrative of your bold idea to potential investors. It happens in under a minute, with the goal of leaving your potential business partners wanting to hear more about your bold idea. So how do you make the perfect pitch? Bold Business lists down some tips to master the art of the perfect pitch. Be crystal clear with your message and your words.
What is that thing that's going to stick in your audience's mind once they walk away?
A lot of verbal crutches. People who use like a lot, that will kill your credibility with an investor or an audience in about 30 seconds or less.
Being absolutely clear on what are the 2 or 3 things that you want the person who's listening to you to walk away with.
Getting clarity in your words, choosing good vocabulary that is very relatable, but also a little bit edgy and a little bit industry specific so people see your expertise.
Connect to investors and make sure that you are addressing their problem.
The 90-second pitch to an investor is about the investor. Know what the investor is looking for.
Connecting with whoever it is that you're delivering that pitch to.
A simple enough message that says, this is what the problem is, this is what I'm doing, this is how I'm making money or not, or how I plan to make money, this is how I plan to grow the company, this is how my customers are behaving.
Practice your pitch to perfect it.
I see more potentially good pitches ruined because a founder didn't practice, didn't have a set script they wanted to follow, and they run 5-10 minutes over time. That's an insult to your audience, and it makes you look extremely unprepared and unprofessional.
If you can't do it without a deck, you're not ready to pitch.
Your pitch should be able to be delivered with no screens, no slides, and no notes. If you can do that, you'll have a pitch that will make people sit up and lean forward and listen.
The call to action in your pitch is extremely valuable. Dream it. A top global venture capital and seed accelerator believes first impressions last. Your passion, energy, and charisma will score you some brownie points, but you should also be believable and cohesive. Studies show it only takes about 8 seconds to catch a person's attention. Otherwise, you lose a potential investor. It's time to ready, set, and pitch. For more stories of people and companies making bold impacts on our world, visit boldbusiness.com. To learn about our services, visit boldbusiness.com/services.